Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipops at home without corn syrup. First, gather your simple ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and your favorite flavor extract. Next, prepare your lollipop molds and sticks, ensuring they are clean and ready. Having everything set up beforehand makes the process much smoother and safer. This initial preparation is key to a successful batch of delicious homemade lollipops. Now let's cook the sugar mixture. Combine your granulated sugar and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Watch the temperature carefully with a candy thermometer, aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect lollipop texture. Once your sugar mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Let it sit for a moment, then carefully stir in your chosen flavor extract and food coloring, if desired. Work quickly but cautiously, as the mixture is extremely hot. Pour the hot liquid into your prepared lollipop molds, inserting the sticks as you go. Allow them to cool completely and harden before attempting to remove them from the molds. After pouring, let your lollipops cool completely and undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are firm. Once fully cooled, carefully remove them from the molds. To keep them fresh, store your homemade lollipops in an airtight container at room temperature, away from humidity. They make wonderful treats or gifts. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.